we have a few things left to do. Namely, we should probably take a look at our UV map. And as before, we have some stretched areas from the polys that we placed or used to bridge some other areas. So what we can do, a couple of ways we could do this really. Let's try and select the areas that we bridged first. Let's use the move tool and make sure turn off is on. And now we can just pull these areas out. And it looks like I have grabbed some polygons. Okay, those are just the ends. Let's go ahead and just hide those as we work. Okay, grab 2 of those, L for loop, and W key, move that out of the way, hide it with the H key. Okay, next let's do this area here. It should be, yeah, it's this set here. L to select that loop, W key to grab it and move that up. Alright, H to hide. Now let's do the bottom. I believe it's this set. Yep. Okay, move this out of the way. Alright, hide that one. And now for this section here. L for loop, W to move, and move that out of the way. And then hide it. So now we'll take a look just to make sure everything looks good with our base UV map, and it sure does. So now we'll do U to unhide, and what we want to do is UV map these parts. So let's go to our exploded morph map, and we'll UV map them. Let's see, how can we do this? Let's just go ahead and do them in groups. Let's turn off subdies, go to poly mode, hide everything else, and let's hit Control-Shift-A to align our camera to the selection, right? And then hit L to select the loop, and we'll do project from view. Alright, so that gives us a decent UV map of that. The pieces right here and here, we can just unwrap them in the viewport. Since they're single polys, they shouldn't present any kind of craziness. We'll move those up out of the way, and now we can hide that. Do the same thing, select these polygons, Control-Shift-A to align the camera, and then hit L. Actually, let's make sure it selected those. It did not. Let's select those again. There we go, hit L, Control-Shift, oops. We want to select those, Control-Shift-A, and then hit L. And yeah, we've got all those polygons there. Project from view, move it up out of the way, and now let's lasso select those. Oh wait, actually that one doesn't have side polys, it has top and bottom, of course. Unwrap those and then move them up out of the way, lasso that, hide it. And I'm going to rinse and repeat for these pieces here, so I'm going to pause and come back and we'll have it completed. So now it's all unwrapped and moved apart. Now we can pack the UVs. We want to, let's see, we won't orient them, but we will stretch and pack them. And we'll lock stacked, so we keep our stacked parts together. Let's change the gaps to 5%. Hit enter and let it do its thing. Okay, that looks decent. So with that out of the way, now we can progress to other areas.